Third graders, today we are going to take a look at your opinion writing rubric. This is the grading sheet that will be used to score your opinion writing paper when you are finished with it. We are going to read through each thing on this list, and you are going to have a pencil ready so that when you see something that you need to work on, you're going to put a small star by it. You are going to need to pick 3 goals that you are going to be working really hard on as you write your opinion paper. So the first item is your opinion. Clearly stated an opinion on a topic. That means, were you easy to understand? Was it clear when you wrote your opinion about a certain topic or a certain thing? Your lead. Did you write a lead that is interesting and grabs the readers so that they want to keep reading the entire paper? Paragraphs. Did you divide your text into paragraphs to show changes in the topic? And did you indent each time you started a new paragraph so it's easy to tell where one paragraph ends and another one begins? Reasons. Your essay or your paper has included at least 3 different reasons to support your opinion. So after you tell your opinion, you have to tell why. And you need at least 3 reasons why you think what you are thinking. Examples. You must include examples to help explain each of the reasons. Transitions, including sufficient transitions. So that would be including transition words in your writing, like first, second, then, next, last. Word choice. Did you use plenty of vocabulary words and facts that show the author, that's you, is an expert on the topic? Your editing. Did you write an interesting ending that reminded the reader of the opinion? So you're going to restate your opinion or say it again at the end of your paper. Spelling. Does your spelling reflect editing and only has grade level appropriate errors? So it should look like you reread your paper a few times and looked for editing mistakes where you could fix capital letters at the beginning, punctuation marks at the end, and most of the spelling of your words should be correct. And then punctuation. You must use correct punctuation. Periods, exclamation points, question marks. You are going to pick 3 of these that you are going to work really hard on. Everyone must pick 3. Once you have picked out 3 writing goals to work on, you are going to fill in this sheet, opinion essay writing goals. I am becoming a better writer. You are going to write down the 3 things that you decided that you're going to work really super extra hard on as you are doing this assignment. When you are finished, save your packet in your writer's folder.